Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. I am Muhammad Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 6. Today's topic is addition and subtraction of algebra. Today's lecture number is 50. Topic is addition and subtraction of algebra. We will solve only 2 questions from your book and from the exercise 4.3. The question number 27 and 37. I wrote down the question number 27 in the left side and 37 in the right side. First of all, we will solve question number 27. The question is, if x is equal to 5a plus 7b plus 9c, y equal to b minus thrice a minus 4c, z equal to c minus twice b plus a, then show that x plus y plus z is equal to 3 multiplication with a plus twice b plus twice c. We have to show this one, x plus y plus z, that's equal to 3 multiplication with a plus twice b plus 2c. So first of all, we have to write down, given that in that solution, given that what is given? Given the value of x is equal to 5a plus 7b plus 9c. The value of y is also given, y is equal to b minus thrice a minus 4c, and the value of z is given here, c minus twice b plus a. These 3 values are given, and we have to show this one, x plus y plus z, that's equal to 3 multiplication with this one. That means our left hand side will be x plus y plus z. Now left hand side, that's equal to what? X plus y plus z. Now we have to do what? We have to put the value of x, y and z here. Okay, the value of x, y and z is given. The value of x is what? 5a plus 7b plus 9c. Then a plus sign. Then value of y is what? b minus thrice a minus 4c. Then this plus sign again. After that, z value. The value of z is c minus twice b plus a. After that, we have to arrange the similar terms together. We have to arrange the similar terms together. Okay. First term is given here 5a. Okay. First term is given here 5a. So which are the similar terms of 5a? 7b is not the similar of 5a. 9c is also not the similar. b is also not similar of 5a. But minus thrice a is the similar term of 5a. That is why we should write down together with 5a, we should write down minus thrice a. Then we have minus 4c is not the similar of 5a, plus c is also not same, minus 2b is not the similar term, but plus a is the similar term of 5a. That is why I should write down here plus a. Then the next term will be plus 7b, plus 7b. Now which are the similar terms of plus 7b? Look, 9c is not the similar of 7b, but plus b is the similar term of 7b. So write down plus b here. Okay, we should write down this one. Next we have minus 4c. 4c is not the similar term of 7b. C is also not the similar term, but minus twice b is the similar term of 7b. That is why minus twice b should write down with this. Okay, this arrange is done. Now our next term will be plus 9c. Plus 9c. Now we should arrange the similar term of plus 9c. Look, this is minus 4c, the similar term of plus 9c, minus 4c, and plus c is the similar term of plus 9c. So plus c will be write down here. Now all is done, right? All the term is written down in the next line by arranging together the similar terms. Now what should we do? Now we can add, because we have already arranged the similar terms together. Look, 5a minus thrice a plus a. So these are the similar terms, a. And the first term 5a has 5 as the coefficient of a. That is why our first numeral will be plus 5. Next, the second term of a, we have minus 3 as the coefficient of a. That is why our second numeral will be minus 3. And the third numeral will be 1, because the third term a has plus 1 as the coefficient. So plus 1 will be our third numerals. So the addition will be plus 5 minus 3 equal to twice a, or plus this one, it will be 3. So it will be thrice a. It will be thrice a as a variable with 3. Okay, the numeral with 3. Now we should add the term of b. This b and this b are the similar terms. Now we have the numerals. It is plus 7, because plus 7 is the coefficient of b. That is why the first numeral will be plus 7. The second numeral will be plus 1 because this b has 1 as coefficient, and last term of b, that is this b has minus 2 as coefficient. So minus 2 will be our last numerals. So the addition will be 7 plus 1 equal to 8. 8 minus 2 equal to 6. That is why we should write down plus 6 and b as a variable. Now we should add the term of c. This is plus 9c. That means our first numeral will be plus 9, because plus 9 is the coefficient of c. Now the second term of c is minus 4 is the coefficient of second c. That is why our second numeral will be minus 4. Okay, minus 4 is the coefficient. That is why minus 4 will be our numerals. Now plus 1 is the last coefficient of this c. That is why we should write down plus 1 as our last numerals. So 9 minus 4, it will be 5. This 5 plus 1, it will be 6 again. It will be plus 6 c as our variables. Okay, now look at the proof. What we need to prove? We need to prove 3. We need 3 as a common, then we need a and b and c terms. Okay, that is why we will take common as 3. Then what will be here? When we take 3 from thrice a, it will be only a in the bracket. When we take 3 from the 6b, we will get 2b. When we get 3 as common, that means we have to divide this 6 by 3. We will get 2 and b as our variable. And the same as for 6c, we have to divide this 6 by 3. We will get 2 and c as our variable. Now look, this is the same as the right hand side. So we can write down equal to right hand side. Therefore the left hand side is equal to right hand side. It will have to be showed. We have to be showed. So showed. The students, I think you have understood. First of all, we should put down the value of x, y and z. Then we should separate the similar terms together. Then we should add. It's very simple. Okay. Now we are going to solve question number 37. In the right side we have question number 37. The question is, if the value of x equal to a plus b, the value of y equal to b plus c, and the value of z is equal to c plus a, then show that x minus y plus z, that's equal to twice a. We have to prove that. That means we have to show that x minus y plus z equal to twice a. Okay, the proof is as similar as the 27. That first of all we should write down, given that the value of x equal to a plus b, the value of y equal to b plus c, and the value of z equal to c plus a. These three values are given. Okay, now we need to show that x minus y plus z equal to twice a. So our left hand side will be, our left hand side is equal to x minus y plus z. Now what should we do? We should put the value of x, y and z here, but there is a minus sign in front of the y. That is why we should take a brackets for putting the value of x, value of y and value of z, because this y has minus sign in front. Okay, that is why we will use brackets. Otherwise our calculation will be wrong. The value of x is what? A plus b. Write down a plus b here. Then which sign appears? It's minus sign here. Then the value of y here. Okay, y is b plus c. It's b plus c. Now this addition sign will be here. After that, the value of z is c minus a. It will be c minus a here. Okay. The next word should be, we have to omit these brackets. We have to omit these brackets. How can we omit this bracket? Which bracket has plus sign in front of that bracket? That's all the terms will remain unchanged, their signs. But which bracket has minus sign in front? That brackets, all the terms will be exchanged their sign. That means which has plus sign, that will be get minus sign. Which term has minus sign, that will be become as plus sign. Look, this bracket has no sign in the front. That means this bracket has plus sign in the front. That is why the terms sign will be remain unchanged. That means it will be remain unchanged as a plus b. But this bracket b plus c has b plus c in this bracket before we have minus sign. That is why all the terms, that means b and c, will exchange their sign. In the front of b we have no sign. That is why it will be plus sign. So the plus sign will be changed as minus sign. This b will take minus sign in front of him. Okay. And this c has plus sign. So this plus sign will become as a minus sign in front of c. It is minus c. I think you have understood. Okay. Now this last bracket has plus sign in the front. That means this will remain unchanged. That means it will be plus c plus a. Now we have already omitted the brackets. Now the work is, we have to arrange the similar terms together as addition. Okay. First of all, the first term is a. Now find which are the similar term of a. It's b, it's b, it's c, it's c. Now the last term is plus a. That means it should be written down here, because these two are the similar terms. After that, you should write down plus b, and minus b is the similar term of plus b. So I should write down here. Okay. Now the next term is minus c, and plus c is the similar term of minus c. So it will be written down here. Now the arrange is done. The similar terms arrange is done. Okay. Now we can add or we can subtract. How we can add or subtract? Look, this a has plus 1 as the coefficient. That means our first numeral is plus 1. And this second a has plus 1 as coefficient of a. That is why our second numeral will be plus 1. So plus 1 makes how much? Makes 2. And our variable is a. It's twice a. Then the next one is, first b has plus 1 as the coefficient. So plus 1 will be our first numeral for b. Okay. Now next b, that means second b has minus 1 as coefficient. That is why minus 1 will be our next numerals. So plus 1 and minus 1 makes how much? Plus 1 minus 1 equal to 0. It will be 0 and b will be our variable. Now we should add this c. First c has minus 1 as the coefficient of c. That is why our first numeral will be minus 1. And second c has plus 1 as the coefficient. So plus 1 will be our second numerals. Now minus 1 plus 1 equal to how much? Equal to again 0. So it will be 0 with c as variables. Now the work is done already. So when we multiply 0 with anything, we will get 0. And when we multiply 0 with anything, we will get 0. So it will be twice a plus 0 plus 0. That means we can write down twice a. Okay. So in the right side we need twice a. That means the proof is already done. So we can write down this equal to right hand side. That means we can write down left hand side is equal to right hand side. SH. And this is short. Again, I am telling you that we have to prove that x minus y plus z equal to twice a. Okay, here is a minus sign. That is why when we should put the value of x, y and z, we should use the bracket sign because of this minus sign. Okay, after that we should omit the bracket. Which bracket has plus sign, that terms will remain unchanged, but which bracket has minus sign in front, that terms sign will be changed. Okay, after that we should arrange as the arrange the similar terms, then we should add or subtract. It's very easy process. I think you have understood my today's lecture. Dear students, this is COVID-19 pandemic situation. You should stay at home, obey your parents, and you should practice more and more at home. See you again inshallah for the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.